Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions by comparing products head to head. Today, we've got a drone showdown between the Ruko U11S and the DROCON drone. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with the price. The Ruko U11S costs $283, while the DROCON drone is a mere $109. If you're looking to save some cash, DROCON's definitely got your back. But is cheaper always better? According to reviews, the DROCON drone is praised for its affordability, but comes with some compromises in quality and durability. On the other hand, the Ruko U11S, although pricier, is considered a great value for its features and build quality. Next up, the camera. The Ruko U11S boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, offering clear and high-quality footage. Reviewers love its camera quality, stating it's great for both video and stills. Meanwhile, the DROCON drone comes with a 1080p HD camera. While it's not bad, reviews indicate that its image quality is not the best, describing it as suitable for casual use. If you want those Instagram-worthy shots, Ruko is the way to go. Ready for takeoff? The Ruko U11S can stay in the air for up to 40 minutes with its 2 batteries. Reviewers appreciate the longer flight time and stability, especially in windy conditions. On the other hand, the DROCON drone offers a total of 24 minutes of flight time. While this is still good, some reviews mention that its lightweight design makes it susceptible to wind, affecting its performance. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The Ruko U11S is beginner-friendly with its one-key functions and a transmitter that charges directly. Reviews highlight its ease of use and stability, making it great for both beginners and experienced flyers. The DROCON drone also offers a user-friendly experience with its headless mode, one-key start, land button, and altitude hold function. It's noted for being fun and easy to use, making it a great gift for kids. Time to unleash the cool features. The Ruko U11S comes with GPS positioning for stable outdoor flights and optical flow positioning for safer indoor flights. Reviewers appreciate these features, especially for precise handling. Meanwhile, the DROCON drone is packed with fun features like gesture recognition, voice control, and 360-degree flips. It's described as the party animal of drones, always ready to show off some tricks. Last but not least, portability. Both drones can be folded and carried easily, but the DROCON drone takes it up a notch with its compact size and included suitcase. Reviews praise its portability, making it ideal for travel. The Ruko U11S is also portable, but more focused on performance and features, rather than just compactness. Summarizing the reviews, the Ruko U11S is highly praised for its camera quality, flight time, and advanced features, making it a great choice for those seeking high performance. Meanwhile, the DROCON drone is loved for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, although it has some compromises in durability and camera quality. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko U11S versus the DROCON drone. If you're all about high-quality photos and longer flight times, the Ruko U11S is your best bet. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with some fun features, the DROCON drone is the way to go. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.